brain stroke or cerebrovascular stroke is very common, and it is one of the three leading causes of mortality in the world. It has a lot of serious neurological complications on the patients, and it affects adversely on the patient's life. For the signs of stroke or brain stroke, we can say a word which is fast. F is for the face, A is for the arm, S is for the speech, and T is for the time. For the patients with stroke, it can have very serious effect on the patients, and in the worst case, the patient can die. And the patients die in the early stage because of the stroke, or it might be because of the complication of infection. With the patient who survive, they can have very bad neurological complications affect on the patient. And for example, they can have hemiplegia, cognitive disorder, or speech disorder. And normally the complication affects on the musculoskeletal system, and a lot of patients will suffer from depressions as well. There are two kinds of factors affect the patients with strokes. The first factor is unchangeable factor, which includes age, races, living place. Then the second factor is changeable factor, which include the diseases which are cardiovascular diseases or blood pressure. The patients should be brought to the medical facilities as soon as possible, and they should see the specialist on the cardiovascular system or the stroke. And then the patient should have the paraclinical examinations or tests, including CT scan or MRI. Or after that, they should have the screening for their cardiovascular diseases, or they should have their ultrasound or electrocardiogram to diagnose or find any heart problem. After that, the patient can have some blood tests, including biochemistry. And for stroke, it completely can be prevented. And we can reduce the chance of getting stroke by some methods, such as the patients should change the lifestyle and do more exercises, also control their weight. For the lifestyle, they should have a healthy diet and try to abstain from the stimulants, including alcoholic drinks and cigarettes.